Welcome to Super Easy Physics and Mathematics, SEPAM. Hey there, mathematics warriors. Are you gearing up for your next big exam and want to conquer those mathematics questions? Then buckle up, because this video is your ultimate weapon. Given the figure 1.2 with length BD equal to 2 cm, line DE equal to 3 cm and line AC equal to 4 cm, calculate the value of side of the triangle BC. Can you solve this question? This is a similar triangle question. This shape has two triangles which are similar. The triangles are triangle EBD and triangle CBA. Let's identify the angles that are equal. Angle E is equal to angle A because it is marked out in the triangles. Secondly, angle E of the blue triangle is equal to angle B of the yellow triangle. Therefore the remaining third angle D and angle C are equal. Writing the equal angles in order for the blue and yellow triangles will give the two similar triangles. Triangle EBD is similar to triangle ABC. The next steps involves writing the ratios of the sides in the two triangles. Ratio of side EB to side AB is equal to the ratio of side BD to side BC is equal to the ratio of side ED to side AC. Substituting the given values will give. The second and third ratios will give the required answer for the unknown side BC. The length of BC is equal to 2 multiply 4 divided by 3. The value of BC is 2 whole number 2 over 3 centimeters. This is how to solve similar triangle problem. If this tutorial has helped you nail this concept, leave a comment below with the next topic you'd like to see tackled. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.